There's a little bit of background noise because I've got the Thermo King running on this truck. I've got a guy wanting a video of it cooling down. Tires are, my son probably had them tires put on. They look like they're brand new. Yeah, it looks like all 6 tires, at least the 3 on this side, are new. Like I said, it is gas. Truck's in pretty good shape overall. But I don't know if you can hear that whining noise. That's a PTO running. If I pop the brake, it'll go away. You can hear it idle down. You can hear it idling back up. Boom's in pretty good shape. We did have the boom inspected. Actually, I need to get, they make a plexiglass cover that goes on that, and that, you see the plexiglass is broke. Those switches and stuff mount to that plexiglass cover. I need to call and get one of those. That's about the only thing I know that it needs. Yeah, you can see here, it's got that plexiglass cover here. Actually, looking at this, I do not see a current inspection on it. It should have been inspected. I don't know. I might have to go pull the inspection report. I don't see the sticker. I'll pull the inspection report and see what was up with that. If it had something that had to be fixed first or what. But I mean, they'll be out here Monday inspecting other bucket trucks, so I can have them look at this as well if it hasn't already been inspected. So I will get a copy of that inspection report if it's available. If not, I'll have them get it done Monday. But 86,000 miles. I noticed a minute ago it is missing the passenger's headrest. Now why it's missing that, I have no clue. We've already had the oil changed. The truck should be ready to go to work. I will have to check on that inspection because the owner will not let us sell it until it's been inspected and passes. So I'll get on that Monday and find out what's up with that.